I am Cynthia D. Balana, a journalist for 40 years and a strategic communications consultant. Thank you for choosing me as one of the honorees at the Icons of Change International Awards. Being recognized alongside such distinguished individuals dedicated to sustainable development and positive transformation truly humbles me. I have had the privilege of working as news and investigative reporter for the Philippine Daily Inquirer for 32 years and later as associate editor and opinion columnist for the Daily Tribune. My mission has always been to bring to light the stories of those whose voices often go unnoticed. A passion for truth and equity has driven my journey, and I believe that every voice matters. Through my work, I have seen how storytelling can catalyze change, highlighting not only the challenges we face, but also the resilience and creativity within our communities. I strive to shape public opinion on issues that impact our humanity. This award is not just a recognition of my personal achievements. It highlights the importance of our shared role as change makers. As we work in alignment with the United Nations International Year of Volunteers for Sustainable Development, we should remember that each of us has the power to contribute to sustainable development goals through our daily decisions and actions. I share this honor with my fellow journalists, activists, and volunteers who relentlessly work to create a better world. Let's keep raising voices, sharing important stories, and working together for a fair and sustainable future for everyone.